So the pump pushes approximately 4 litres a minute of water to a tiny little hole in the orifice in the nozzle. That accelerates the water up to just under twice the speed of sound. That accelerating water entrains abrasive through a venturi from this abrasive hopper here, and that abrasive in the water erodes the material away quickly. That simply is how a Waterjet works. So once you've got your focused jet of water with the abrasive in it, it now comes down to the software and how you control that jet. A Waterjet isn't like a hard CNC tool. It actually moves as you're cutting. So as the jet is moving through the material, the jet is bent backwards. Depending on the geometry of your part, you're going to want to control that jet to make sure you get the features you want as you want them, and get the surface finish you want as you want it. So the software and the way the software controls the Waterjet plays a massive part in how Waterjets work and making sure that you get the part you want to the finish you want in the time you want. So hopefully that's answered some of your questions regarding Waterjet cutting. I've been in the industry now for 25 years. Not much I haven't seen in terms of what a Waterjet can do or what you could possibly achieve with your Waterjet. So if you've got any questions, you want to know how it can help you, you want to have a chat around what it is that you do and see if a Waterjet can fit into your application, give me a call. My name's Matt Weaver, I work for Headland Machinery.